Hello dear doers, and welcome to this new Accounting Smart class. My name is Abdul Ghani Fawad Hussain. Asset management is accounting and how a business needs to. So at some point in the business life, people need to buy tools and material. In order to conduct the business properly, for example, they need to buy a car, they need to buy a laptop, they need licenses, software, and so on. All these can be what we call depreciated in order throughout a long period of life, and we're going to see together what this depreciation concept means and how we manage that in a depreciation accounting method of allocating the cost over its useful life or life expectancy. So the goal here is a fiscal advantage. We are going to divide the cost of the assets throughout the asset life. So when a car, for example, so it costs you, dozens of thousands of euros, so quite costly, and is going to be on one period of your the purchase is going to be represented on one period of the year you bought it, but needs to be split throughout the one period, and the physical advantage splitting the expense throughout. The life expectancy is that then you're going to get more expenses. The life expectancy is that then you're going to get more expenses in your PL, and then so your total benefit of the year is going to be little decrease, and then you can pay then less taxes at the end of. The first one is linear, so basically you're going to take the whole amount and you're going to divide it by the number of depreciations that. So here you're going to depreciate a little bit more at the beginning, and then less and aggressive. Linear is something that only a method that needs to be used for only in order to make that work. Do and automate the asset management asset models. So these models allow you preset configurations to complete which are the method, the period, the analytics are facultative, but you can also include them in the asset model. It will allow you the automated creation of an asset when posting a related. What happens basically in Odoo when first you have to design the asset. And this asset model needs to be linked a fixed asset account in your chart of accounts, and there are also some on the account itself afterwards. When you create the vendor bill, you're going to assign this fixed asset account instead of an expense account, and when you post this bill, an asset is